Hi, I'm Dylan from ThermoPro, and I'm going to show you the TPO3A.
To activate your TPO3A, simply press the on/off button once. To switch between degrees Fahrenheit and Celsius, simply press the button on the back marked C/F. You may wish to take note of the recommended internal temperatures of certain meat as well. After you are done using your TPO3A, make sure you gently wash the probe with a damp cloth and power down the device. You can then press down on the pressure lock and safely slide the probe into its slot. Feel free to make use of the convenient magnetized backing or kitchen hook for easy everyday storage.